Welcome to Enugu, the coal city, the city of hills, rising skyline and warm communities, and some of the finest residential neighborhoods in southeast Nigeria. As Enugu continues to expand and modernize in 2026, certain areas stand out not just for development, but for beauty, serenity, and quality of life. Today, we count down to 5 most sought-after suburbs and beautiful places to live in Enugu in 2026. Number 5. Tinker's Corner. Tinker's Corner is one of Enugu's fastest growing residential suburb and also one of the most sought after. Known for its peaceful environment, clean layout, and modern housing estates, Tinker's Corner attracts those who prefer serene living without being far from the city major routes. The continuous development of new gated estates give this area a calm, organized, and contemporary feeling. Rent in this part of the city varies. A 2-bedroom flat ranges between 1.5 million to 2 million, while 3-bedroom ranges from 2 million to 3.5 million, while duplex ranges between 3 million to 6 million, depending on location. Tinker's Corner offers a variety of housing options, from affordable flats and mini flats to more upscale housing, which makes it suitable for students, young professionals, families, and investors depending on budgets. Number 4. Transulu. Transulu is a neighborhood built around nature and elevation. Perched on some of Enugu's finest hills, Transulu offers breathtaking views, winding roads, and spacious residential layouts. As new development continues to rise in 2026, the area blends luxury, comfort, and scenic calm. It is one of the best places for families, retirees, and anyone who wants to wake up every day to the beauty of Enugu natural landscape. Rent in this part of the city ranges between 800,000 to 1.5 million naira for a 2-bedroom and 1.2 to 2.5 million for a 3-bedroom apartment. If you are looking for a calm residential neighborhood to live in Enugu in 2026, Transulu is one place you should consider. Number 3. New Haven. New Haven has grown into a beautifully balanced neighborhood, youthful, energetic, and stylish. Each street aligned with modern apartments, boutiques, hotels, thriving businesses, and some of the most accessible amenities in the city. At night, New Haven glows with life, yet still maintaining pockets of quiet, cozy residential areas. It is the perfect place for young professionals, families, and anyone who wants convenience without sacrificing comfort. New Haven is a blend of old and new and can be accessed through GRA, Independence Layout, Tinker's Corner, and Ababa. Rent in this part of the city ranges between 1.2 to 2 million for a 2-bedroom apartment and 1.5 to 2.5 million for a 3-bedroom apartment, depending on location. If you are looking for a place to live in Enugu in 2026, New Haven is one place you should consider. Number 2. Independence Layout. Independence Layout, vibrant, modern and constantly evolving. This neighborhood has transformed into a lifestyle capital of Enugu. Trendy restaurants, high-end lounges, government institutions and stunning hilltop views make it one of the most desirable places to live in Enugu. Whether you want a peaceful residential street or a lively social life just minutes away, Independent Layout offers the best of both. As one of Enugu's well-known highbrow area, Independent Layout is one of the most sought-after suburbs in the city, and it consists of a middle-class to upper-class neighborhood. Rent in this part of the city ranges between 2 million to over 10 million depending on housing type and location. If you are looking to locate to Enugu in 2026, Independent Layout is one place you should consider. Number 1. GRA. GRA Enugu is one place everybody wishes to live in. It is a timeless classic with wide three-line streets, elegant private residential areas, embassies, quiet avenues, and some of the city's greenest pockets. GRA remains the go-to neighborhood for people who value privacy, exclusivity, and beauty. Modern architectural designs blend with old colonial structures gives this area a distinct charm found nowhere else in the city. Rent in this part of the city ranges between 3 million and over 10 million depending on housing pattern and location. This is one place everybody who visits the city of Enugu wish to reside in. If you are locating to Enugu in 2026, GRA is one place you should consider. What do you think about this list? Enugu is growing, thriving, and becoming more beautiful every year, and these 5 neighborhoods and suburbs of the city are some of the best places you should consider living in 2026. It is central and has some of the best basic amenities. Whether you prefer a quiet luxury, modern living and vibrant nightlife, or scenic hills, Enugu is a place that feels like home.